Vistara believes it's time to change IT operations management from a cost center to one that provides more business value across your entire organization. Our multi-tenant platform helps IT teams manage assets through all phases of the IT operations lifecycle and maintain application availability across enterprise, public, or private clouds. Vistara is the IT operations tool of choice for leading enterprises and service providers. We currently serve over 2,000 customers and more than 100 partners globally. How does Vistara work for its customers? Let's look at a real-world example. Acme is a holding company with a consumer finance and retail business with hundreds of locations and digital properties. Acme's IT organization manages thousands of devices across its data centers and 300 remote sites. The Acme CIO is prioritizing an enterprise-wide hybrid cloud strategy to meet its rapidly growing business needs. Acme has a fully virtualized private cloud infrastructure running their inventory and warehouse management applications, saving public cloud for their more elastic customer-facing applications which scale automatically with demand. The challenge is to seamlessly manage critical e-commerce business applications reliant on existing data centers as well as third-party public clouds. Vistara allows Acme to do this across all their business units. Acme can leverage Vistara's remote access capabilities to create secure tunnels to end devices for performing management functions and configuring secure access. Vistara uses policy-based discovery to identify IT assets across data center and hybrid cloud environments. Network devices, servers, storage arrays, desktops, virtualized environments such as VMware, vSphere, and public cloud assets are all discoverable. Acme creates comprehensive Vistara service maps to capture business applications running across data center and public cloud deployments. With service maps, the IT team can now manage availability, health, and performance at the service level and drill down to individual events. Early this morning, an Acme L2 engineer receives a high priority alert. CPU utilization is high. Candace opens the alert in Vistara to examine the impacted machine and opens a ticket. Candace wants to know why the alert on one of the Cassandra nodes didn't have a wider impact on their business intelligence app. She accesses synthetic monitoring to analyze app performance in the past few minutes across locations. Candace was happy to see application uptime at 100% and average latency in the expected range. She confirms that app availability wasn't affected by the Cassandra node failure, and she now wants to fix the problem across other nodes to prevent further impact on the app. Candace creates notification channels to receive alerts through email, SMS, or automated phone calls. She sets up an escalation policy to notify application owners during an incident. This way, IT teams can immediately resolve app performance issues before there's any impact at the business service level. The escalation matrix was initiated because the business-critical e-commerce application might have been impacted by the high-priority alert. Candace starts with the device details to see the most recent history for this node. From the graphs, she sees high I/O weight. She checks if there is a knowledge base article for troubleshooting CPU utilization issues. A similar issue was resolved on another Cassandra node where the root cause was disk contention. Candace looks at the audit recording to see what Joe did. To reduce disk contention, Joe changed the commit log directory to a disk not in use by the data directory. Candace notices other nodes also in need of the same fix. She opens the service map for the e-commerce application to launch consoles for the out-of-date Cassandra nodes. Armed with Joe's good work from the night before, Candace opens a remote tunnel for secure console access for the remaining nodes in Acme's data centers and public cloud. The knowledge base article noted a possible network component to the I/O weight issue, so she checks on the network devices to confirm that there are no issues. All clear. Candace checks on patches for the Cassandra servers to make sure they're up to date. They are missing security and critical patches, and she applies the updates. Candace thinks proactively about other issues that could impact the e-commerce service. She knows that temp files can fill up a disk, causing it to not respond. She writes a runbook automation script that gets invoked when an alert gets triggered for high disk usage. The system will heal the alert by running a script to delete temp files. Candace is confident that she has addressed the alert and uses the service desk to close the incident. Because Vistara automatically integrates with Acme's third-party ticketing system, the details of her work are automatically captured there. Candace doesn't want to miss events from third-party monitoring tools. Acme uses New Relic to track the performance of microservices hosted on public clouds, and she wants Vistara's command center to manage all New Relic alerts and events. Vistara creates incidents for New Relic events and routes them to Slack channels or ServiceNow for prompt resolution. Since the incident affected the critical e-commerce service, Candace prepares a report to Bill Watkins, the VP of IT Operations. Vistara quickly generates an incident report as a PDF or PowerPoint in just minutes to send to upper management. Meanwhile, back at the corporate office, Bill glances at his Vistara dashboard. He rests assured knowing he'll be the first to know if an incident requires him to alert his business leads. Vistara gives Acme the enterprise command center it needs to effectively manage a hybrid cloud environment. Acme engineers reduce time to resolution through improvements in productivity, partnership, and proactive action. And Acme IT management can rest assured that compliance-driven operations extend to the cloud and that they have visibility and control across their business. Join thousands of customers and transform your IT operations into the modern platform you always wanted. Vistara shows you the way. For more information, visit vistarait.com.